You can patch a small shingle roof hole yourself if the damage is limited and you follow safe, precise steps, but larger or structural damage should prompt a professional call. Assess the extent by lifting surrounding shingles and inspecting for rot in the sheathing and framing. If the hole is less than about 4 inches and the underlying wood is sound, you can proceed with a DIY patch. Start by gathering a pry bar, utility knife, roofing nails, roofing cement, a replacement shingle or roofing felt, a hammer, and a sealed tube of roofing adhesive rated for your roof type. Remove damaged shingles carefully by prying up nails 2 rows beyond the damage, so adjacent shingles are not stressed, and cut out any rotten sheathing. Then fit a small plywood patch ride on top of the rafters if needed and secure it flush with the existing deck. Install a layer of underlayment or self-adhered flashing tape around the hole with at least 2 inches overlap beyond the opening, and then slip in a replacement shingle cut to match the pattern, sliding the top edge under the row above and nailing at the original nail line without overdriving the nails. Seal all nail heads and seams with roofing cement and press underlapped edges so water sheds properly. Check that the patch sits flat and mirrors the slope so water does not pond. Work from the ridge down when possible. Use a sturdy ladder and a fall arrest or safety line. Wear non-slip shoes and avoid DIY work in winds or wet conditions to reduce risk. Common mistakes include failing to inspect and repair underlying rot, which causes recurring leaks. So always cut away soft wood and replace or sister framing as needed before covering. Another issue is improper shingle alignment or insufficient underlayment, which creates paths for water to track under shingles, so match shingle exposure, overlap correctly, and use self-adhered flashing at seams. The third frequent problem is unsafe working conditions and inadequate fall protection, which leads to injury. So do not work alone, use a stable ladder, wear a harness when working near the roof edge, and hire a pro if you are uncomfortable at height. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and share project experiences so we can weigh options between DIY and hiring a pro. Our site also helps contractors find work and grow their reputation, and we host an active discussion community where users trade tips, ask questions, and post photos of repairs.